Okay, welcome back. Yeah, after days, I have a busy of fixing the electronics. So let me take out the machine right now. Maybe we need a better angle. Let me a second. This mostly how is the bear built, or maybe a little bit up. Now the machines is definitely is usable. So let me power it up. Where's the power cables? Plug in the outlets, just like this. And power it up. So never mind. I just removed the finals. I mean the bed leveling C offset manuals. So that's why it's put up some warnings. And I also using these SD Wi-Fi cards. Previous I using the SD, but it's always lose connection. I mean back contact of the SD. So I try something new using this Wi-Fi SD module, and things definitely works. So since this is now is bare setup, not stock of Prusa setup, I better to do a basic setup visit to in case there's something wrong. Yeah. So let me say, wait a minute. Calibration. Setup wizard. Yeah, let's do it. So it runs. I guess it is the fan issues, because this sounds like not a Prusa's levels of fan. Maybe we try again somehow. Yep. Let's see how it goes, or how it behaves. The fans issue. This is weird. Let me try again. One more time. Yeah. If still failed, I may try to reboot the system somehow. Okay, I better reboot the systems. Just not now. Yep, go. Yep, it's now trigger seconds. Not spinning. The test is spinning. Yep, this passed now. That's a bit. It may have some noise because I does not cut out some the zip tie yet, because I want to make everything goes well. Then I will cut the zip ties. But this is not a big problem or deal. We will fix that very easy and quick somehow. Yeah, the back is hitting. So not just wait somehow. Easy. I don't know how the back temperature goes because no value for that. Better just waiting is done somehow. I realize this process might take a long time. Little bit. Oh, okay, the bed is done. Now is the hot end. It will heat up to some temperatures. Maybe they do a PID tune, I don't know. Okay, everything goes good, all correct. Yeah, this is what we do. I will run XYZ calibration now. It will take around 24 minutes. Okay, let's open calibration Z. Just ignore the noises from zip types. Clean the nozzles for the calibration and press done, because now have no filaments in nozzles. So we'll just press done and have distribution back. Now they take off the bed. Yep, and place a paper under the nozzle point. So I use this paper, A4 paper. So let's do this. This may take time, but let it go. I really like these classic machines. they are old for sure, but it's reliable definitely. Oh, I noticed that the new version of firmwares definitely have a countdown. Previously, they don't have one. So one can now knows how the process it goes. Take a bit of paper. I think this will be fine. I don't think it will be scratched. Don't scratch the bed somehow. I believe that. I may take off the card because it's keep blinking. I better may takes time to study some noise, like the fin cutting this zip tie, something sounds be like. I better have a study or another check that, but it don't sounds like have cables under. So yeah, better to study why. But everything should be good, yeah. No idea yet. But guess it's the zip tie. I have no pretty ideas where the noise come from. I mean, I've noticed that the sounds maybe the turret right here, you have a little bit noise. I will take a track for this later somehow. Yeah, but it's not an easy task somehow. Should we spend some time to make a study? I don't think it's the bearings cause, because I will be using some of the bearings. Yep. No idea yet. Maybe the magnets, I guess. Main sensors somehow, maybe. Because it's doing a movement like this, it don't really have noise if you notice later. Yeah, you don't notice noise there. Maybe around here have some noise. Not pretty sure, but yeah, we can make some confirmation for that later. I better don't block the display somehow. Leave it away. Yeah, don't really have a noise. So I can expect the noise maybe from the right side, but no definitely have reasons why this happens. Definitely. Now we'll have 50 seconds left. 13 seconds. Because the paper blocked the display somehow. So I only can tell the seconds is still remaining. Ten more seconds around. Okay, I think it's done. So, placing still shit. Yeah, using this. this sheets, although this is not a stock one, is coming with the Prusa. But for the bamboos X1, but this don't really matter. It does not cover the full places, so it's fine. So place the bed, press enter, then let it go. I'll make some easy check for my fingers. So it should be lines up in the right place. It's this very quiet machines. Yeah, definitely how Prusa did. 7, 8, 9. XYZ calibrations are all right. XY axis are slightly skewed. Great job. Thermal mode calculations take 12 minutes. So, what it did. So, it doing the PID thermal test, some like. So, let it runs. Just let it run the PID tuning somehow. I don't worry this tool head somehow because this tool head is used to print B with ABS, so not patchy. So I think it can be allowed high temperature printings without any issues. Just let it do. As I remember, this step may take a few loops because yeah, without fan and now the fan is stopped spinning, I mean the pinning fan. Wait a second, then it will power on the pin fan and doing a PID loop. And the guys say this take little bit time, but it's definitely worth it because we will need that for getting the right temperatures when painting. Okay, I think it keep in the right place, the temperature. Now it's turning on the pin fan to set the temperature lower. I may secure a bit of the pedal sensors. If it does a skill, but I want it a little bit tighter, so tighten, then it will be dropped somehow. One, two, three. It should be good. A little bit of secure the props. But sorry. Okay, now it's lower than 50 degrees. It will be back up to 213 later. Yeah. If we define, we run a test. Yeah, estimate. Refining C estimate. Yeah, that's definitely a PID toning somehow. But now previous does not have cooling fan. I mean the it's the part cooling fan or pin fan. Now it come with the pin fan for toning. As same, this may take time. I guess it takes about 5 minutes, I guess. Because these two hats seems like do a pretty good job. I bet I can adjust the two head cables later somehow. Like more of it. Because now the cable is like wobbly. At least still have room to better type the cables. But I will not doing it right now because the temperature is heat. I think this will be fast. R50 estimate. Yeah, PID tuning is allowed. Just give some time. I think it should be alright. Yep, sounds like it's done. The fan now spin slower, and now go a little bit like medium speed. Yeah. In trying to holding the temperature to 213. Now sounds like using a low fan speed. The out numbers is keep going down. Seems the temperatures can be keep up with no problems. I would say the Delta's P fan ducts do a very good job here. Really. I can hear the PSU fan is spinning. Definitely. Nope. Okay. Let me take some PLA. Give me a time. seems like I go too far. Let me see how actually the process is. There should be calibrations, back mesh, PIDs, XY Panda, calibration mode. I think the current last step is the first layer calibrations, as I understand. Maybe I will skip that this time, but everything goes fine. So let me quit down. PLA. Oh, they don't skip it. Oh, that's good. Because it's only doing the first layer calibration, so I don't expect it using too much. Cut at angles and put it in to the nozzle and press. And now I will calibration the distance between the tips and the nozzles and the heat pad surface. Yeah, that's the first layer calibration. Okay, it's in. Definitely in. It looks very good. Yes. I'm gonna take this out away. Definitely for this step we don't use too much of elements, so just like this is fine. Definitely fine. I get the tweezers for easy to cleaning up. Some of the nozzles and the tool heads. Never mind of the zip tie. A reliable machine, just like we did. And now we're doing eye testing somehow. This is a bit hard. Okay, sounds like we need more lower. Oh, keep going. It don't really stick on that. More. How about this? It don't go to bed. A bit high. Maybe. We cannot go too low because it will cause issue. I may just leave it current value as it, and I will check how the zigzag plane and see the result does I need are just lower or higher. It should be almost done. 3, 2, 1, yep, done. As my current result is a little bit more lower needed, So I clean up the bed. It needs been more lower. Yeah. PLA. It's fine. Because not too close to the nozzle tip. Squeeze off. Just like this. Okay. Okay, maybe this time more lower a bit. Maybe just like this. The perch line looks great, but just the perch line. It is definitely hard to say, be honest, but I'll try my best. Okay, now we will print the square, which like the previous step. Then we have the previous square of lines. You will see the square definitely. Don't stick a piece add together. We need to make it as piece. Okay. Still needing more lower. Yeah, this definitely will take a few times. Yeah. Yeah, still not a piece. Just like a line. PLA. We cannot make a twins right now, but soon. Let's be careful for this. Maybe just that little bit deeper. Maybe just like that. I cannot go too down. Oops, together. It sounds like too low. These cases. It's definitely hard to say. Yeah. I try my best. maybe 1.1, I guess. Previous one is 1, now 1.1, 1.01, I mean. It is still hard to say, but we will see the results later. It will be done soon. This look better. Now we can pull the square is a square. Let us try. Oh, still no. It go to 2 pieces, but I can think it's almost around. Maybe we try one more. Oh, sorry. Maybe we try one more. Doing this first calibration continues with PLA. This value must be better tuning because it will affect how the print resolves. Does this stay bad or somehow? Definitely this will take some time to tuning. I also maybe need to clean up the nozzles later because it's stick around or PLA to the nozzle. I will make clean for that, definitely. We are so close. I can expect it can be done around 1 or 2 times. I expect it. .2 maybe. Maybe 1.5, just a little bit lower but not too deep. If this succeeds, then we can stop or just manually add a little bit lower. And do one small attempt, it should be fine. It looks stick well. Okay, now go to the finals. The finals line drawing should be fine. Okay, let's see the results. This look perfect, just like a single piece, like a paper, plastic paper. So I think this is good. So I can make an eject of the PLA now. Make an ejaculations, just eject no filaments and PLA. And next some time to doing cleanups. I hope the nozzles just don't go too dirty before the okay, we got ejected now. X, be careful. Oh, it's broke. Okay, never mind. It should be good. So yeah, I will take some time to clean up the Z. Oops. Okay. Sounds good. I stick. I try to use some tools to make clean for this. Maybe a paper. I do this because I'm brave, but don't try to do this and somehow it will damage your hands or fingers. To be careful to doing so. I'm taking around the cables. Instead have some plastic around the tool head. Okay, sounds like be good. No plastic inside the nozzle or near the nozzle. It's very clean. So now cool down. And I see this cable can pull it a bit back. Now be careful to nozzles cables. I make some pull. Yep, this work. It pull a bit. I can pull a little bit more, look the nozzle cable straight. But also cannot be fully straight. Some warp zone is needed. I think this is good, definitely. Okay, maybe this is the reasons why I leave it loose, because yeah. is not good. The nozzles got loose because the heat. Yeah, I need to be tighten the nozzle. Otherwise, it will cause leak. I definitely should be do this next time. I mean, better. It is completely cool down. This is a big trouble for me now. Big trouble. Never mind though. I can fix up later, so definitely fine. And I will clean up some zip ties, and I fix up the tool head is getting loose. Then everything should be it. This printer should be done. In any cases, and the Wi-Fi SD do its job pretty good. So yeah, this is the end of the live stream today, and thanks for watching. Let me cut all the streams right now.